Hey guys, I'm going to do question number 20 from the Regents review, and we've already done a question like this. Just for a reference, it was question number 2. It was also recursive sequence. So if you've forgotten how to do a recursive sequence, you can go back to that one. But I'm going to go ahead and work through this one. So very first thing that I'm going to see here is that it has the word recursive in it. So you should be looking for that. When you see that, recursive. Now, it says the first term, the initial term is 5. So a sub 1 is 5. And then it has this sequence here. It says a sub n plus 1 is equal to 2 times a sub n minus 7. Now, remember, we don't have subscripts. The NSPIRE doesn't have subscripts. So what we're going to have instead is we're going to use parentheses. So I'm going to show you what it looks like, what it will look like. So we're going to have a sub 1 equals 5. And then we're going to do here, we're going to do a, and then it's going to be n plus 1 equals 2 times, it's going to be 2 times a sub n minus 7. So where they have a subscript, we're just going to put parentheses. And then that's it. Now we're looking for the fourth term. So let's go. So what I'm going to do is let me pull up the calculator. I want to make this big screen so you can see it. So I'm going to go to the graph. This was from something earlier, so I'm going to get rid of it. Menu 14. Now, when I do, excuse me, when I do tab, you can see it's a function. Excuse me, we need to get this as a sequence, so I'm going to go menu 3, and then I'm going to go down to 7 for sequence, and then I'm going to do 1. So menu 3, 7, 1. Now, the very first term is 5, so I'm just going to go here and put a 5 in. And now I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to make the left-hand side of the equation match. So I'm going to go a, and this is going to be n plus 1. And then over here, this is going to be 2 times a sub n. Close the parentheses, and then I do minus 7. Now, once you've done that, just press enter. Enter, boom. Now you see these dots? The reason that they're dots and not lines is because this is a sequence, and sequence just has integer inputs. That's it. It only can accept integer inputs. So from here to here to here, down here someplace. Now, we need to know the fourth term. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go menu, oops, actually, I want to do menu 51. And then I'm just going to type in 4 because I need the fourth term. Press enter, and it says the output is, or the term is a -9. The fourth term has a output of -9. So if I go back to my iPad, I would choose the first one. That would be it. That would be the answer to these. That's how you do these. Just use the sequence. Remember, I created a recursive sequence document and I put it into your binder. If you don't have one and you need one, just let me know and I'll make you a copy. But you should be able to do these. They usually have at least one question that's a recursive sequence. And if you know how to basically set the calculator up in sequence mode, you can get these questions very easily. All right, so I'm going to close this down and post it.